chicken quesadilla. Now, a lot of times we go to our fancy restaurants and stuff and we might see these meals as appetizers, but guess what? You can prepare it at home. So stay tuned for something real good. Okay? Our ingredients for today. So we have some seasoned chicken breast here. We have our tortilla. We have some lime juice, some salt and black pepper to taste. We have some dried parsley, our diced tomato, cheese, of course, our sweet corn, our mango chutney prepared right here in Moya Moy's kitchen. Tastes so good, guys. I have my diced onions and my Scotch Bonnet pepper, my hot pepper. You know, we're Jamaican and we like it hot sometimes. You know. So let's get into the video, guys. So guys, the first thing you want to do is to prepare your chicken, and I'm just frying my chicken breasts, my strips, for about 4 to 5 minutes, and that is how long you need to fry them. That is all. So the next thing that you need to prepare is your salsa, and all you need is your tomatoes. So you need to add your tomatoes to a bowl. Big up to Aaron, and I'm looking farm around our back for my nice clean tomatoes. You need a little bit of diced onions. Now I have dried parsley, but if you have dried cilantro or fresh cilantro, that's good. But I have dried parsley, and I'm just going to add a small amount, just like that. You know, some Scotch Bonnet pepper, because as mentioned before, we like it on the spicy side at times. Salt and black pepper for taste, just a little bit of salt. A little bit of black pepper. See there? Nice and so. And just probably a tablespoon of lime juice. That's all you need. You're going to sprinkle it right around. And all you have to do is just toss this all over. Toss it. And there you have your salsa for your quesadilla. Pretty simple, pretty easy, nothing fancy. Probably add the parsley and so will make it look fancy and so. But that's it, guys. The thing that you need to do is to dress your tortilla. And what I'm going to add is my cheese. So I'm going to add my cheese first. I love it when it is cheesy. So we're adding our cheese. Ooh. I'm going to add my salsa, my tomato salsa, right on top. Just spread it right over. As I said, people, we'll just cook and do it thing. Then I'm going to add my sweet corn. I have a little sweet corn right here. Right? Then I'm going to add my chicken breast, just to top it off. Right over there like that, and so, and just to top it off, I need a little bit of my mango chutney. Now people, if you did not see my video, you can head right over to my Instagram and you see how I prepared my mango chutney. So I need just a small amount on top. See that? Oh my god, this is gonna taste good. Just a small amount on top and you're good to go. And what you're going to do now is to just fold it, and then we're going to get our frying pan and we're going to look at the finished product, so stay tuned. Okay, so what you want to do is to take your quesadilla and just put it in a non-stick frying pan, and you're going to leave it there for about 3 to 4 minutes or until brown on both sides. Right, guys? That is all you're doing. So we're just ensuring that it is good. There you go, guys. Turn it and flip it. Flip it real good, guys. And then you're going to wait until the other side is brown, and then you're going to take it out and you're going to cut it, and there you have your quesadilla. And there you have it, guys, your chicken quesadilla made in the Moya Moy's kitchen. Pretty easy. It's now time to taste. Oh my god, yes, there you go.